Welcome back. Let's continue our cleanup because we didn't finish it yet. We have some small things to do. We will style this page right now to make it look prettier, but we are not going to style it like to make it like wow form. We will style it to be visible for us. Let's create a container. It's a bootstrap class, and let's put everything inside this container. And inside the form, we are going to separate each form as a form group, okay, or each input as a form group, and the bottom will be separated. So, but before that, let's just make a margin top of 5, and let's add a heading for this. Edit. Heading 2. Let's make a div here and call it form group. And let's take this line with us. Let's make the same thing here. And also the same thing here. And let's close this one. Oops. Div. And also close this one. Let's push this. Okay, so it will look much better now, but oh, there's something left. We have to add a class here also. It will be a form control to make it a full width in the container. It was here, and the last one will be here. Okay, so let's save this file and take a look at. All right, this is awesome. Okay, now we are going to do the same with the add form. Let's take this as it is. Remind me to change this. I usually forget because I copy and paste a lot. So let's go to create, and we are going to erase this, and we are going to just erase these also because we don't have a product here. We don't have a product passed to this view. So if we now go to the, and let's add product. Let's go to the create, and we have the add product. Cool. Now we are going to go to the products, and here I want to add something at the bottom of the of each product, which is the button for the edit and the button for the delete. Okay, let's add the button for the edit now. Let's go to the product. No, it was the index. Let's delete the remaining things. Let's delete this about, and let's delete also the product. We don't want it anymore. Let's leave the welcome as it is. And now let's go to the index, and I want to add an href, a tag with an href, and I want this now to go to the edit page for this particular product. So to do that, we are going to go to the create, not create, sorry, products, okay, and /, and if you remember that we can use these double curly braces, and we will pass here the product's ID, so product ID, and then we are going to add a / and then edit. So let's edit, let's close this, and we are now going to test this button. Yeah, sure it is. It went to the car. Let's go back and let's go to the Ford. Yeah, sure it did. And let's go to the coffee. Sure it did. And finally, let's go to the water. And sure it did. So I think that's it for this video for now. We will continue with our CRUD, simple CRUD, in the next video. We will work on submitting this form in the next video. Bye.